I was looking through some stuff. I found some Easter eggs, and Connor loves playing with water and water shooters right now. So what I'm gonna do is take some teas, hammer them into the ground, put the eggs on it, and then we'll give Connor a little scavenger hunt to go shoot them down. Let's hide the eggs. I've already put a couple over there. Can you see them? All right, our spot. Let's go ahead, hammer this into the ground. We're gonna put a couple of rocks in it just to give it some weight, balance it on top. There we go, off to our next site. How about we do one behind the bush? Maybe he won't even see it back here. Okay, and the last one, let's see, we've got one here, one here. Let's go over this way by this rock. For this one, we just set it up here. Let's go get him. Look, I found this card. It says, to Connor. Let's open it up. It says, go to your castle. Go, 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 go. Go, yes, go, go, go. Oh my gosh, what is that? Okay, it's another message. Let's see what this message says. This says, ready for a hunt. Oh my gosh, are you ready?
Yes, that's the
Fill up your bucket with water. Go on a search to find 12 eggs and shoot them down. What are you gonna shoot them down with? Do you have a water shooter? You do. Okay, do you have a bucket? I think I just had it. Okay. All right, let's go fill it up with water. What? What? Right there, that one?
Yes, but we need water.
Oh, well, let's go get water, quick.
Go. Do you see orange?
Where? Give me a clue. Give me a clue.
Right the wall.
At the wall. At the wall. We see it. We see it. Nice. Bring it on over.
Fred, where's the book?
Oh boy. I wish we were live so they could tell you. Let's keep walking straight ahead.
Let's check the shower.
Okay, let's check the shower.
What do you see?
What? What do you see?
You see orange?
Ooh. Ah, you got it. Wait, is there another one? What? Purple one! Oh, you need some water? Here you go. Ooh, try again. Yes. Okay.
And ketchup. I want them all to come off. Maybe I do my hands.
Dry your hands, okay. Try squeezing it. Ooh, rocks.
And the bean.
Yes. Let's see. Dry the hands, yep, good idea. Ooh, cool rocks. Can I open one?
Okay. You can open the last one.
No, the last one, okay. Yeah, ooh, there's water inside.
This
Ooh, desert rocks.
Here's yours.
Mine? Thank you. Oh, there's a lot of water in here. Look at that. Let's get all the water out.
Hey, those were mine.
Yep, go for it. Whoa. Ooh. Let's see. Mine has 2 rocks in it. How many rocks did yours have?
2.
Okay, last one here. Let's see how many rocks this guy has. 2 rocks. Oh, you collected a good group. Okay, so let's see. How many do we have? There's 3 of each color, so let's put them in groups of 3 and we'll see what colors we need to search for.
Okay.
So if there's 3 in each, how many are we missing? How many purples do we need?
2.
2.
2. 2.
How many oranges to get 3 oranges total?
1, 2, 3.
So we just need 1 more and we'll have 3. How many do we need to get 3 blues?
1, 2, 3.
Yep, so we just need 1 more blue.
2, 3.
So 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, and 1 is 4. So let's go find 4 eggs. Ready? Let's do it.
Time for the final 4.
Let's go. Let's go find them.
I see something.
What?
See orange. Do you see it?
Let me see. No, where is it?
Try that rock.
Oh!
What?
Oh, check that out. I don't think that was one of our items. Should we put it in our bucket anyway?
Yeah, let's clean it up.
Okay.
Well, let's see what it is. Wow. I see purple.
Okay. What? You see another one?
Do you see it?
Oh!
There's something inside of here.
Ooh.
Comes close to the cactus.
Okay. All right, 2 more. 2 more. Where are you, eggs? Ooh, check it out. Yeah, put water on him. See if he moves. No, he's not moving. Looks like he's dead. Okay, let's keep looking for our last egg. Oh no, we've got 2 more left. Oh! Let's do that again. That was cool. Okay, ready? Get some more water. 3, 2, 1. Yes. We still cannot find the last blue egg. Okay, go for it. I see it. I see it.
I see it. Do you see it?
I think I do. Friends, do you see it?
No, you don't see it. I do.
Ah, you see it?
Yes.
Here, get some more water.
Do you see it?
Do you see it?
I do.
Where is it? Ooh, tough one. How many squirts is it gonna take for you to get it off? That was 1. 2. No. 3. Ooh. We ran out of water. I think we need some more water. 4. It took you 4 squirts. High five, buddy. Bam. Let's go ahead and go count up our eggs. See if we found them all. I think this is it. Let's see. More rocks.
Styrofoam.
Ooh, this one has rocks.
With 2 purples. And it's 1, 2, 3. Put that
Ooh, this one had 1 big rock.
1, 2, 3. 3 ones.
How many blue ones?
2 blue ones. And it just broke.
Our rock collection. 3 orange, 3 purple, 3 green, and how many blue? That means I think you found them all. Yes. Kiddo, what'd you think of your scavenger hunt today?
Good.
That was good. All right. Ooh, now I'm wet. We had so much fun out here. You know, it was great using the Easter eggs. We could have used ping pong balls or Halloween decorations. Little pumpkins would have been cute. Anything to shoot down with water. All right, everybody. Hope you had fun. We had a great time being outside. Oh gosh, Connor's gonna push the red button. Bye guys, we'll see you next time.